How you doing? We're going to start doing some welding on here and try and tie this all together since we got it all pre-prepped now. We showed you how it was looking. We're going to go along and put some more welds on here and try and complete this door today and just kind of get it wrapped up here. I got my little helper today, my little grandson, Brayden. He's going to be helping me, making sure I'm doing it right. Okay? Here we go. There we go. Ready? You watch. Put your helmet down. Kind of blows through a little bit once in a while because you got some thin metal. You got the heat turned up a little bit.
You know what's going to smell
Might blow through a little bit. That's okay. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Here we go. We'll weld some more. The best thing to do in a case like this too is weld about maybe an inch here, an inch here, inch over here, an inch over here. It'll keep the heat from distorting the panel all really bad and bending it all up. So if you do a little here, let it kind of cool down, what will happen is it won't distort the panel so much, like we did on the hood. We did little sections at a time. It definitely helps, keeps it cool. If you burn it in really hot, it's going to warp it all up. All right, let's go. Helmet down. Okay, fire's gone. Okay, do a little weld up here again. Here we go. I turned the heat down on the welder just a little bit. Seems to be helping. How's it look? Look pretty good?
Darn good.
Darn good. Okay. Here we go. Whoa!
That was our same fire.
Woo! Looks pretty good, huh? I like it. I'm gonna sturdy this right up nice. A few more welds here, we'll have to go to the inside. Ready? Here we go. Back side of the door. Woohoo! Got a helper. My little helper here, his name's Brayden. It's my grandson. He's helping me out. Trying to learn the craft here.
I know the craft, but I like looking.
Here we go. A few more tacks in there so I can weld about every inch. Got your helmet down, Brayden? It's nice getting the kids involved. There we go. Going to tie this together pretty nice. A few more welds, ready? Here we go. As you can see, we got the internal panel here now. We just did some welding along this edge right here. What we're going to do now is complete the weld along here, tying that all together, and that should make a nice inside panel. And there's look at the top view of what we've been doing here. And now we're going to attempt to fill this in over here and complete this door. Oh, thanks for joining me. We're going to do some welding on this back panel. the interior panel, which dresses this all up and ties this in. I had to put a panel where the original door panel used to be. We're going to put a panel on here, weld it all in, so it becomes all nice window ledge for us. This piece to complete this door frame. I'm just gonna get it close. I'm gonna probably weld it here. I want to try and keep that nice contour going up that frame there. And then we'll have to fill that in. Do a little bit of cutting here and there, and make it so it's like anything, the cleaner you make it, the more time you spend with it, the nicer it comes out. I think that's going to do me pretty good. I mean, I like to do it, see how it turns out. I'm going to fire up the welder and tack it up. Help. I got all these tools here is the shop that I'm working in. It's my shop. I own the place. It's called BR's Custom Bars. We build motorcycle handlebars. Kind of like we did a custom door, we build custom motorcycle handlebars. Sometime check us out at brscustombars.com or just punch up, custom handlebars or BR's bars, and check us out on the web sometime. Got any questions or got any buddies that are interested in the bikes or handlebars, just give us a call. But that's why we got a lot of tools laying around here. I don't tend to burn right into it. I'll just tack. It doesn't heat it up as much, and it'll give you a nice weld without blowing through the old panel. It is nice having a little chopping wheel, cutting wheel on the end of this thing. It sure does do a lot of, I gotta keep unplugging and plugging a cord in here once in a while. I got a triplex cord sitting right here, but you think I'd fire it up? Tighten that up. Looking good. Looks good. I didn't do the back side. It's looking over my shoulder, you should have mentioned it. Basically now, we got it all welded up. We probably just got to go over it now and just dial it in with the grinder a little bit here and there. And if we want to prep it out, a little bit of filler or something we can, just to smooth things out, and depending on how close and how much finishing we're going to do to this project. But otherwise, there's our new window frame, new door frame. Looks awesome. If you really wanted to, you could dial all this in and everything, and that's just a lot more stuff to do. And we don't have to go to that extreme. We're not making a show truck out of it. So, hey, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it.